Hello guys, welcome or welcome back. So today's video is a night routine. So I just took a shower and I sat down for my mandatory scrolling. So first I decided to read a book. That book was so bad, so I decided to scroll through Pinterest for a while. That's what I usually do. I will scroll through Pinterest, then I'll go to Instagram, then I'll scroll there for a moment, because this is how I like to unwind and just relax after a hectic day or working so long. So I will do all my scrolling and then I'll decide what to do. So after scrolling for a while, I decided to practice my Spanish. That's what I've been working on. So I decided to practice few phrases. That's what I am doing here. This is how I spend my time at home. I don't really go out that much. I like to sit in and just enjoy my own company, do my own thing, do my hobbies and work on things like that. Having a hobby is really important as it distracts you from overthinking, and also you can relax in a different way apart from spending so much time on screen and scrolling. To be honest, I don't know how to paint. I genuinely don't know how to paint, but I just try whatever I feel like so that I feel good. That's the main reason. You don't have to know anything. You just have to do it and just listen to music, or just do what you feel like doing. And who knows, after practicing for a while you might get better and you can actually carry your hobby into something, or you can make it as another side income. You can turn your hobbies into a side income when you really work on it. Or maybe like start a small business and start selling your paintings or your crochet or anything. That's why hobbies are really important when you have free time. So I have all the time in the world. Instead of going out, I prefer to stay at home and do my own thing. I know for a fact if I don't spend my time wisely now, I am 100% going to regret later, as when I go back to college, I won't even have time to like breathe. So, of course, I'm going to regret the time I have now and just chilling in my room, listening to music, painting, and just living in the moment. And that's why it's important to set out a time to do something that you really love and just be with yourself instead of just wasting your time scrolling. Yes, of course, even I love scrolling. It gives a different level of satisfaction, but this also gives a different level of satisfaction. So, yeah. A quick word from today's sponsor, BrowserGPT, a all-in-one ChatGPT Copilot for the web. An easy Chrome extension that can be used across all websites, including Grammarly, Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, has various features such as summarizing your mail, generating a reply, an AI power tool that helps to generate literally anything. Use it across Google Docs, Instagram, YouTube videos. It easily summarizes the entire video within seconds and also give you notes on each chapters. Really useful for taking notes while watching lectures on YouTube, and also provides accurate information from every search engines including Google, which is also supported by AI chat box where you can ask literally anything. You can also use it along with ChatGPT, Quillbot, Google Translate, Grammarly and Notion. So give it a try. I'll provide all the links in the description box down below. Now back to the vlog. 준일이한테 인사도 없이 왔어. 이렇게 모르겠어. When you're going through a lot in life, the only way to heal is to sit down and feel your emotions. There are, of course, other ways such as journaling, meditating, and praying that will definitely help to heal. So don't be so harsh on yourself when you feel like it's time to relax and unwind. You have to do it for yourself. You don't have to be productive 24/7. You can find ways to unwind and relax and just chill, relax and regain your strength and come back to work. That's how you can balance between work and your life. So after watching this video, do take some time to reflect on yourself and engage in some sort of self-care or do something that you really like.